(350 grams yogurt), 1 tablespoon garlic and ginger, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon black pepper powder, 1/2 teaspoon allspice powder. Mix well. (750 grams chicken). Mix together. Marinate for 1 hour. 1/2 cup cooking oil. 3/4 cup onion paste. Cook on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Add marinated chicken. Cook for 3 minutes. Cover and cook on medium flame for 8 minutes. 25 almonds soaked and peeled. 6 green chilies. 4 tablespoons fresh coriander leaves. 1/2 cup water. Grind well. Add grinded mixture. Cover and cook on medium flame for 8 minutes.